Kukura Hakutane, a song by Leonard Dembo. The song Kukura Hakutane is a very powerful song where the great Leonard Dembo wanted to encourage people, organizations, and even countries not to procrastinate. Time moves quickly and waits for nobody. Any time lost is hard to recover. Life is full of opportunities which unfortunately pass by if not taken advantage of. Dembo uses an analogy of some beautiful girl that he used to play with growing up, but because of procrastination, she was taken by another from a distant place. He shows the regrets when he says, "Dai ndakaziva, ndakangoti ndideo." Whatever opportunity that presents itself to you needs you to act before another more distant person grabs it from under your nose. He further shows in the following paragraphs that this song is not just about a lost lover, but something much deeper when he says, "Hapana angakunda namo." He is saying that life is full of challenges which you must solve and another comes up. Only when you die are you spared of life's new challenges. In typical Dembo style, he shows that the song is multidimensional when he shows that this is much to do with individual as much as the country. He says, "Namo yedu tiri vaviri tikashinga tichakunda ini ne Zimbabwe." He is saying to the political elite, do not forget to take advantage of any opportunities that benefit the majority of the population. Take all your opportunities. Cheers.